Testing, testing. Testing, testing. There we go, late stream, but we're here. It was a very, very, very busy day. Yeah, just pretty much thought, wow, look at this. OXT dropped by a lot, which means that Bitcoin's probably breaking down. Of course it is. 94,000. We didn't hit 100,000, but that doesn't mean that we're not going to hit it. Obviously, the RSI is overbought, extremely overbought, and we said that, you know, that's one of the most important things we look at is when the RSI is extremely overbought, right? So we said we were about to curl down. We did. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's check the chat. What's up, Payne? What's up, Carla? Yo, what's up, Crypto Me Analysis? What's up, Dougeberry? PNG got up to 29 cents today. Yeah, Nick, we already, you remember, literally. So if you're trading it, you're making a killer. But the problem is that, like, nothing has changed because and I've said it in every single one of my videos, every single time we break below resistance, then you're looking at it pumping, and then we're stuck at 30 cents. And we say that every single time. But yeah, wow, already starting with a super chat. Sanjeevan, thank you so much for the super chat. You're always one of you and Flipcoins, man. You guys are like always one of the first super chats. So thank you guys, and thank you so much for the super chat. Yeah, let's take a look at PNG. We'll get right into it. 28 cents. So literally, first of all, congratulations if you actually started a position down there, because you know we're looking at it, and every single time we get at 22, 23 cents, which we showed you on the line where you break below a crucial area of a resistance, we get a nice bounce, and we go, and it can go up to 39 cents. 30 cents. And what do you know? It happened again. So if anybody risked it and bought in, right now we are on resistance again. But hopefully this time it blows out, right? Hopefully this time it blows up over it. But yeah, so again, next target, so first of all, it's the 0.5, right? But on the shorter time frame, if you do this, you can see that it lands right in resistance, right? So every single time, like we said last time, when this goes below, we get a quick recovery, and we're like, so it's just literally consolidating between 23 and 30 cents, which isn't bad at all. But I would like to see PNG hold over 23 cents. And yeah, so like little to no resistance at this point. Well, actually, never mind. It needs to break 30 cents, and then we're looking at 46 cents. So you're looking at 47 cents, and then once that breaks, you're looking at $1.33, and then from there, previous high, and then PNG to the moon. So as of right now, all these targets are still valid for Solon and anybody else who's looking at PNG. So it needs to break 30 cents, or just like the last 3 months that we've looked at this, if it doesn't, we're gonna come back down. And if it doesn't hold, obviously 17, 18 cents is next. So just as long as you're aware of that, you should be fine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Not financial advice. So I'm going to just leave this actually, because I feel like other people are going to come and ask for PNG. So we'll just do that. Let's look at GST. Did that move? No, but we're also under, what was the area, 17 or 18 that needed to hold? Or are we still consolidating in resistance? Well, that's a good question. Let's see. For GST, from the high to the low, yeah, it needed to hold. It didn't. 18. So same thing, not same thing with GST. Unfortunately, with GST, it's still, it's not bullish. So long story short, I know we're up, and it seems like we're going to the moon because we're up so much. But as long as it's below this area at around 18 to 27, then it is bearish. The previous lows are can get hit. Like if it obviously falls off the table, you're looking at it landing anywhere between previous all-time low to obviously this previous low at 201. And is it 1 cent? Sorry. So yeah, that's pretty much it for GST. As long as it's under this resistance, but once it breaks, I'd say GST to the moon, and we'll just have to monitor it from there. And then let's do that again, just in case someone comes by. We could just have it up. BitDAO. Did BitDAO have a nice move? Yeah, so BitDAO, same thing with BitDAO. Unfortunately, it's not. It didn't really do anything, right? We got stuck. I think we got stuck at resistance, right? So for BitDAO, we got stuck at the 236. Or we actually didn't even tag it, so never mind. We never got stuck at it. So same thing with BitDAO. It can come all the way back up to 94 cents. So if you had your sell targets here, congratulations, because you actually made profit. But same thing with BitDAO. Nothing's bullish until we break 94 to $1.28. So just keep in mind, Sanjeevan, that this thing can come up to the 382 and still basically be bearish and fall off the table. Okay, that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. So yeah, and then spell token. Let's look at spell token. No. There we go. So taking a look at spell. Oh, I think we're actually, are we over the 382? Oh, no. Nothing actually has happened with spell token either, because on the macro time frame it's 307, right? So, or sorry, 309. So we got stuck, we got rejected. Nothing's bullish on the macro time frame until we break 309. In terms of short term goes, we are over the 382 at around 307, which was the target last time. So as long as we hold over this, then I do expect us to basically break out of this downtrend that we're actually in right now. So we've been forming a downtrend, obviously. Once we break out of that, then I'd say spell token to the moon. This previous high, once that breaks, then spell token's going to have a really big run up and a move up. But until that happens, spell token has a potential of coming back and retesting 307. So just keep that in mind too. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And again, thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. Can you look at Casey on Solo? Yes. What's up, Steven? Hey, Crypto Me Analysis. How are you doing? Sorry, I've been MIA for a while. Family stuff. Totally good. I mean, it's Thanksgiving and Christmas, right? And then New Year's. Could you take a look at XCN for me? Yes. Thank you so much for being a member. I really appreciate that. Filecoin and Sandbox. Yes. Hello, can you do Carrot, SND, OmniNet? I'm assuming it's and. Yeah, I could do that. I could do those. AMP holding up strong during this downtrend last couple days. Dude, I love AMP. I don't have any, but AMP is like the concept of AMP is so bullish. Like, because with mass adoption with Bitcoin, you need AMP. Like, you literally need to collateralize the variance and the difference that happens between when the exchange of sale happens or whatever, when the sale and the exchange happens, then the value and that price discrepancy is then compensated with AMP. So that's really I'm really bullish on AMP. Unfortunately, I saw it at 2018. I think that's what it went up to, but I never bought it, and then obviously it pumped, and I can't buy it if I didn't buy. If I didn't buy the lows, I can't buy it. But AMP is so bullish. I'm not gonna pay 3 times. That's just me though. Unfortunately that's just me. If it goes down, I'm definitely gonna pick some up. But if it doesn't, then I'm definitely not. All my coins are boring right now. Yeah, I'm lucky that my coin actually pumped for the first time in like 8 months. So I'm pretty happy. Hello, can you please take a look at PNG? See, that's why I have it up. Moonwell Turbo. Sorry if you looked at them already. Well, Dequarius, I actually have it up over here, so I'll take a look at that for you, and then the other ones too. What's up, GE? Mady has AMP. Yeah, AMP is a good coin. It really is a good coin. AMP is very. It's gonna be you. There's gonna be use case. People need it. You need to buy it, and there's gonna be a lot of volume for AMP because it's not gonna be not only traded, but it's actually gonna be used when and if AMP is gonna be used for the difference in the price when Bitcoin is volatile enough for it to matter. Anyway, let's take a look at XCN for Steven. Oh, XCN's attempting to be bullish. Let's go. Taking a look at XCN for Steven. So we had a nice little move up. That's really good. It looks like we're stuck in resistance, right? No, we're breaking out. So very bullish for XCN because we're over 2018. Clearly, when we broke out, right? So from the high to the low. Yeah, so nothing's bullish until we break 2022. Once that breaks, literally little to no resistance to 2046. That is huge, though. Yeah, that's 150% around. If it actually makes it up to resistance at that point. So, yeah, so far so good. It needs to stay over 2018. If it doesn't, we are going to come back down. But if it does hold over this level, you're looking at breaking 2022 and then little to no resistance to 382. And then once the 382 breaks, you literally probably have like 2 weeks to get out, right? Or however long it's going to take. However long it's going to take, I actually don't know, but it just depends on how high you think it's going to go. Which I think we already looked at the market cap and the price, like back up to 786 is around a 17x, which does, yeah, so it still puts the market cap around what, like 500, still under like 950 million. So what was the previous market cap on XCN? Yeah, the highest it's been is set. Yeah, so you have a long ways to go, actually. You have a long ways to go to get back up to the previous market cap. Because we do base it off the market cap. Because when they release coins, the price goes down and all that spiel that I always talk about in every single video. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for XCN. Not financial advice, just my opinion. For Pangolin, we literally said that every single time we break below resistance at 23 cents, we get a big move up. And what do you know? Just like clockwork, it happens again. Keep in mind that, though, for the gentleman who asked about PNG, it's literally for the last 3 months, it's been getting stuck at 30 cents. So for anybody who's trading it and anybody who's actually like taking advantage of the volatility and trading it and selling it at 30 cents, 27, 30, 28, 29, 30 cents, congratulations on that trade, because literally that is around a 34% pump. So congratulations on that. Once 30 cents breaks, I'd say PNG to the moon. Obviously 47 cents is next, and then $1.31. But don't be disappointed, or don't say, oh my god, PNG is a scam, because we can come back down, right? So just remember that. If 23 cents doesn't hold, then, you know, you're looking at 18 cents support and then more downside, okay? So just FYI. Let's see. PNG is too focused on other projects I sold long ago. I appreciate your TA. Thanks for always looking at XCN for me. Absolutely. And thanks so much for being a member. That's really awesome. I really do appreciate that. That's awesome. Hi, Suku breakout, question mark. Thanks. What's up, Louis the Cool? Welcome to the... Wait, when did I start the live stream? Did I? Oh, it's 6:25, so 7:25 will be an hour. Okay, I gotta remember that. I'm gonna try to stream for about an hour and 15 minutes today. So we'll take a we'll take it from there. I had a really long day today. Suku, taking a look at Suku. Oh, hold on. I think we're just stuck in resistance, but here, I'll check for you. And then we should probably check the Bitcoin dominance. Dude, we're about to get this money. Heck yeah, guys. Bitcoin dominance is about to drop. We're about to make money. OXT went up. Like, everything's looking really good right now. Elon needs to go up. Once Elon's up, I am outie. Oh, yeah, so we got rejected. So, keep in mind on the short term, you can see it actually drew a wick all the way up to the 0.5, so that's pretty good. But it got rejected, so the price is still consolidating in resistance, right? So we are looking at 740 and then 964. And then where does that put us in terms of the macro 236? You're looking at, yeah, so you're smacked right in the middle of resistance. Little to no resistance to 14 cents. Once that breaks and holds over it, obviously with that trajectory and staying over 9 cents 64. So yeah, per se, pretty much you're consolidating resistance. 740 needs to hold. That does kind of coincide with the macro 236. But at any point, if we go below these areas, then we are going to come back and consolidate with a bigger move down. So not financial advice, just my opinion. All right, and I hope that made sense. let's see. Did I miss something? Oh, Filecoin and Sandbox. So let's take a look at Filecoin. Ooh, this one is a big market cap, and it's a huge market cap. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look at Filecoin, even though, you know, it really hasn't been doing much, just consolidating for the last 2 years. Rest in peace. Yeah, so it's not macro bullish until we break the 786, and then no bull run until we break and stay over $13, which we actually haven't been in about almost 3 years in May. So keep in mind, as long as we stay under $7, we are going to be ranging within this volatile level, these volatile levels. Which is 243 to the 236, which is 712. So just remember, you know, you're gonna be hanging around these lows. So, yeah. So that's that for Filecoin, and then Sandbox. You are looking at is it trying to? Oh, it kind of looks like OXT actually, where it went up and then it's getting a sell off. Yeah. So. Wow, perfect tag. We perfectly tagged it. And what do we always talk about? We always talk about sell orders. So if you had your sell order in the 236 and 382, congratulations, because you literally hit both of your sell orders. If you didn't, it's okay. No worries, but this is why we look at these targets, because if you had your sell order, then theoretically you would have taken some profits. You don't need to sell everything at once. You could, and if you want to just get out, I totally understand. Hold on, my cat's trying to open the door. Hey. Hey. What are you doing? Hey. Oh, do you think Sandbox can go up? Yes, I do. See? She said it does. She says she thinks it's gonna go up. Yeah, sorry guys. There's a reason why I'm crypto meow analysis. I didn't even know I was gonna do this. When I made this channel, but honestly, now you guys know I'm crypto meow analysis. It makes sense because I have cats, right? Obviously, super simple. Anyway, so with Sandbox, yeah, so nothing's bullish on the macro time frame. Once we break over and stay over 85 cents, then we can start looking at the next targets on the way up. And then on the way down, it does need to hold the 236 at 51 cents. If it doesn't, we're going to be bearish again, and we're just going to be consolidating in between these two levels. So. No financial advice, just my opinion, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Steven for 5, let's go. That's right. Look at my yes, perfect. First of all, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. Thank you so much for the 5, and that's awesome. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Shapeshift Fox. We'll take a look at that. The monthly. Bullish on PNG, STRDY. I'll take a look at that for you. I'll take a look at Shapeshift Fox. Don, don't worry. I do have to look at and prioritize other messages, obviously the members and then the super chats. Leva for 20. Wow, that's amazing. Hey, thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that. That's a lot of money. I like this guy. Super chill, always right to the point, needs way more subs. Thank you. Hey, I really appreciate that. That's awesome. That really means that means a lot, and that's really like what I want to do in terms of like targets go, because in crypto, you know how like everything moves really fast, and we're all like, you know, super glued to our phones and super glued to like know when to sell and stuff, but like it's just like the whole idea of it is, and my whole goal is to like simplify it. Like, for example, for Sandbox, like we talk about this all the time, and for some coins that haven't ran up, right? So like you have the 236 at 50 cents, and theoretically you're buying down here, knowing that it could go down, and then you would theoretically dollar cost average down at next area of support, which we would have been like, oh, next area of support is 13 cents. That never hit, but it doesn't matter, because if you had started a position here, and if you're selling on the way up, then you could just put your sell orders in 50 cents, 86 cents, $1.33, 205, 381, 839, and you can see that, you know, like with a coin with Pepe, and unfortunately I did miss out on Pepe. It was on Gemini, and I chose Dogelon Mars back here. We saw it. Yeah, was it here or was it here? I think it was. Oh no, it was here. Yeah, we saw it in like 501, 505. But if we had looked at it, like here, we would have done the same thing where it's like, oh, 236, 382, blah, 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 previous high, and then you have a target here at 1618, which we actually did tag. So, yeah, it's just, you know, really important to know the targets and don't get greedy, like just sell on the way up and everything like that. So, so I really appreciate the 20. I really do. That's awesome. And thank you so much for that. You definitely take time to answer people's questions and give them good explanation. Not many do that. So kudos. Yeah, of course. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate the comment and the super chat, and that's amazing. And thank you so much for that. I really do appreciate that. That's awesome. It makes me feel good because I'm like, yay, I'm doing something right. So that's awesome. So taking a look at Shapeshift Fox. So I'm sorry if I missed anybody's message. Let me know. I'm going to do STRDY in a second, Mady. So did they release any coins? That's a good question. Let's see. They haven't released any more coins. Just do remember that the fully diluted is 55 million relative to 20 million. Back here, the price was like 50 cents, 70 cents, but the market cap was, so I guess the highest point was 125 million. And the price was, yeah, so like 37 cents. So it does look like they are releasing coins, but I don't think in the grand scheme of things that really matters for Shapeshift Fox, because it looks like it's already bottomed out and it's not really that many coins to begin with anyway, and it's relatively a small market cap. Now, nothing has changed from the last time we looked at Shapeshift Fox in my video on Saturday. So, yeah, so literally right now it's just 236382. So if you're in it, and you're risking it capitulating below 4 cents to 75, and then we're probably going to come back down to the lows. And obviously you can see that we are in a macro downtrend, and we are in a shorter time frame downtrend, right? Which is here, right? So again, not bullish, but we are over the hopium is that the hopium is that 4 cents 75 holds, and then we break 8 cents, and then once 8 cents breaks, then I'd say you got to start looking at these targets for macro areas of resistance, which is 14 cents, which we actually did hit, 24 cents, 51, 131, and then you're looking at you know, up to $19. Now I know they're burning coins too, so just keep that in mind too. That does have a positive effect on a coin. It always has a positive effect when coins burn coins. And one thing that's really bullish for Shapeshift Fox is that their circulating supply is only 1 billion total, and then 377 million in circulation. So it's very, very low. So it just depends on how much they're burning. But it's not like Shiba Inu or Dogelon where it's like trillions and trillions, and it's like a relatively small portion of the market cap. This might actually have a significant effect on the price, given that they're, you know, how much they're burning. So that does have a really big impact on the price. So just FYI. And yeah, I hope that explains it. GW, can we take a look at Zeta? Yes, I'll take a look at Zeta for you. MF Face or MF Mace, what's up? Hey, thank you so much for the €6. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. Can you take a look, or can you look up Muse, Neon EVM, and Math? How's Math doing? Is it still at 28 cents? Neon EVM, I know I make. Muse is a good one. Muse is the one that's a very low market. It's the lowest market cap on Coinbase, so that's a good one. Yeah, Muse is very like 8.2 million. This one's gonna go this one's gonna explode. Yeah, it did explode. So I hope you had it before. So that's really good if you did. Shadow Frost, Shapeshift Fox $1 is very possible. Just FYI, it is very, very, very possible. I guess we'll use this graph. So, oops. Yeah, so taking a look at Muse, yeah, this thing is like, yeah, we're over the 382. We got rejected at the 0.5. So as long as it stays over $11.86, you are looking at retesting the 0.5. From there, you're looking at $32, $65, and then back up to $161. And just remember, this is like Like if this wasn't on Coinbase, I would say this is a gamble coin, and it has plenty of upside potential because even a 9x is going to put the market cap at 72 million, or 9 times 7. What's 9 times 7? 60. What am I at? 1, 2, 3. 66 million. Oh my god, I can't do math. 9 times 10 is 90. Oh, 83 million. Man. No, 81 million. Oh my gosh. I am way tired tonight. Okay, so anyway, it's going to be around 70 to 80 million dollars market cap, so it could go to 10x from there, right? It could be like that. Like, do we even have a fib? Yeah, we have a fib up here at like $2,200. So very small market cap, very a lot of potential, very small total supply and max supply, meaning that it's not mintable. When there's a number here, that means that there is no they don't add coins. It's not, they can't mint any more coins. This is the total coins that are ever going to be made. That's what the max supply is. The total supply is what the coin has minus anything that they've burned. And then the circulation supply is obviously what's in circulation. So even if they release everything, I don't think it's going to do anything because it only has 950,000 Muse, which is crazy because I should just buy one, right? Because right now one is like $16. So like imagine if this thing goes up 20x and the market cap's 160 million and it ends up being like, you know, $320, let alone like $3,000. So yeah, like this is nothing right now. So that's what I think about Muse. And those are my targets. Again, it's looking good right now. It does need to stay over 1186. As long as it stays over 1186, we are looking at a continuation up, and that's it. Let's look at Neon EVM. Yeah, Neon EVM, be careful. Market cap is 21 million, fully diluted as 378 million, which means that they're not even close to, there's only 5.77% of the circulation and supply. I'm not a fan of that, but we'll still, doesn't mean it can't go up, and we'll still take a look at it. So Neon EVM, bearish under 50 cents, no bull run until we break and stay over 74 cents. I'd say, you know, if you're accumulating, given that this is the bottom, meaning it doesn't break below, and then we're just going to validate this giant downtrend that we're in, then I'd say, you know, you're going to get consolidation for however long before we either break over 50 cents or break below 27 cents. Keep in mind that the next area of support for Neon EVM is 17 cents, so kind of like the other coin that I was talking about, explaining. So like theoretically, if your dollar cost averaging down and, you know, it breaks down, you wouldn't be all in, right? You wouldn't get absolutely wrecked because the next area of support is 17 cents. So again, not the best structure forming over here. This is pretty bearish, and we are bearish as of right now. Anytime that it's under the 236, it is bearish. So I don't mean to scare you, but just as long as you understand these targets, then you know exactly where it's going. And if it breaks 50 cents, then that's great. We'll look at the 382, and then once the 382 breaks, then you're looking at its bull run. So yeah, that's pretty much it there for Neon EVM. And then math is at 28 cents. Oh, it's 28 cents. Let's go. Yeah, so for math, dude, this thing is like amazing. Yeah, so for math, let me see. This is not the full graph. We'll take a look at it. Why can't I look at the full graph? There we go. Yeah, so for math, on the macro time frame, it looks like we are over the 382. So I think we were talking about that last time. It needs to stay over 27, 26 cents. As long as it does, you're looking at 41 cents, 61 cents. These are all areas of resistance, meaning that, like we did last time, we could come up and then get rejected. So just, you know, do with it what you will with that information, whether it's selling at these points from this level. But keep in mind that as long as it stays over 26, 27 cents, then you are looking at retesting 41, 67, $1.30, and then all-time high. And then from there, you're looking at up to $35, which actually isn't impossible. We've talked about it. It's around 120x. And given the market cap's only 32 million, that would be around still under a $5 billion market cap. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Thank you so much for the super chat. I really do appreciate that. I pray for, yeah, I think $1 is possible. And $1 for Suku? Hold on, can it hit $1? See, the problem with Suku is that, like, Suku is also not fully diluted. So, like, given this total supply, the fully diluted would be 1.5 billion, right? So it's not that it's not like it's impossible, but the problem is if they release coins, and if they do release coins, that does increase selling pressure, and it is inflationary, which means that it will lower the value of everybody's coins. I don't know the schedule. So for example, for OXT, when I finally like realized circulation supply given relative to fully diluted value, I looked on their website and I went through the white paper, and I only understood like a fourth of it. But usually coins have tokenomics. They have the release schedule posted, so like they'll tell you, oh hey, it's being, this much coins is being released Q1 of 2025. 2022, 2023. So you can kind of gauge that based off of, oh well, I guess I'm going to buy during these times because I know that there's probably going to be either a dip or a pump at these levels. So yeah. GAR USD, I'll take a look at that for you. Sir, can you give me some more real partial pars for Turbo? I mean, Turbos went up so high, but yeah. Muse will be a beast. I think so. I think that like just looking at that, like just buying 10 and then maybe if it hits $1,000, I know that's pretty crazy, but it's actually not. Like if you think about it, it's still a baby market cap even at $1,000. You're looking at $80 million, right? $80 million, right? Am I crazy? Yeah. So $1,000. Let's just say it would be like on 100x, 1,600. Oh no, it would be. Yeah, a 10x would be 80. 100x would be, yeah, 800 million. Yeah, so is it really crazy for it to be 800 million? No, I don't think so. Mady Ghost for 10. Hey, thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. Oh, STRDY. I'm so sorry. I really appreciate the super chat. I do remember you asking for that, so let's take a look at that and give you. Okay, so STRDY, dang, this thing went parabolic. I hope you got in before this move up. So it looks like very small supply, not inflationary. It looks like its max matches its total. The fully diluted is 321. The market cap is only $15 million. So let's take a look at STRDY. Where is this on? Oh, this is just on Uniswap? When did this coin come out? Oh, this coin came out February 2020. Okay, so it's maybe it's on Dex Screener. Hold on. Because it's on Ethereum. Right? Let's change it to the daily and then see if it's February 2000. Yeah, this is the coin. Okay, so first of all, thank you so much for the 10. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. So with STRDY, yeah, let's get right into it. Let me see what I'm looking for. So yeah, this thing already went up. How much did it go up? Yeah, so this is up 222%. Again, I really hope you made profit on this move because that's huge. So from the high to the low, it looks like as of right now, we are headed to $15. So the next target as of right now is $15. And then on the macro time frame, it does need to hold the 236. As long as it holds $1, I know that's a pretty big move down, but it needs to hold $1.76. Very bullish if we actually hold the previous high. And so theoretically, if we come back down and retest the previous high as support, that is still bullish. So the range that I would say is a continuation up to $15, as long as $1.76 to 263 holds. If $1.76 doesn't hold, then we are probably going to get a bigger capitulation down, and then obviously we're going to form some sort of downtrend, and then like the structure that we've always seen, we're gonna get a giant a giant hill over here. But it looks so far so good, because it does look like we did break out, right? So it's very I guess, yeah, it is kind of like a head and shoulder. Huh. So you're looking at I mean, that is possible, but yeah, so it's as far as the targets go, yeah, the pattern looks very bullish actually, but as long as it holds $1.76 and 263, you should get a continuation up to 15. Keep in mind that is around a 350%, which does put the market cap around 75 million, 85 million dollars. So, no financial advice, just my opinion. And we're gonna save this chart for you. So next time you ask for it, I could just bring it up really quick, and then we could see where if like one of two things happens, right? So you're really gambling on the fact that it's going to go up to $15 or sell whatever at whatever point you feel comfortable. And then worst case, just remember $1.76, 263 absolutely needs to hold. So if you're trying to dollar cost average down, and given the perfect time for dollar costing down and the highest risk but also highest reward is buying around here, not financial advice, because if it does come down here and if we do get a bounce, then again you're looking at once we break this previous high to the moon. So no financial advice, just my opinion, and thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Appreciate your feedback. Yeah, of course. Thank you. Once XN gets over 0.022, you'll be getting a big super chat. I've already made several $1,000s. Let's go. Hey, in the green. That's all that matters, man. Hey, that's really good. I really, yeah, that's awesome. That is awesome. What is it? XCN. Yeah, XCN. Come on, XCN. Hurry up and blow past. Watch it like blows past that level on stream. That would be pretty cool. Hey, thank you so much. I really appreciate that, and I really hope you make a ton of money with XCN, because it has a lot of potential, man. It really does. It's like so, like, look at how much it is back up to its high. I mean, right now it's still a 50x from the current level, but if whoever bought down here, which damn, if only we had known, that's like 150x. And keep in mind, if whoever bought these lows, like, they're still up like 181%. I guess that's not that much. No, that is a lot. What am I talking about? That is a lot. 186 is a lot. Gurkharan, JASMY to $1 question mark. I don't think so, but like I know that's gonna get me canceled because there are a lot of people that are like, hey, JASMY to $1. I mean, first of all, let me change that, because people. That's first of all, it's my opinion. You're asking me for my opinion. I don't know if JASMY can hit $1, but just remember that JASMY is now fully diluted. Okay. And the market cap is already topped on June 7th of this year, and the price was like 2 cents or 1 cent. Actually, was it? What was the price on June 7th? Yeah. So the price was 4 cents. So the market cap has never been as high as it is. It's fully diluted, and it's already a $1.2 billion market cap. So keep in mind that if JASMY hits $1, then it is going to be a $50 billion market cap. So, in the grand scheme of things, if Dogecoin can hit 80 billion, I always like making this comparison, because if a meme coin with absolutely no utility or use case can hit $1 or 74 cents, whatever, there's no reason why JASMY, a legitimate coin, can't hit 50 billion. But if you're asking me, I would probably start selling at like 16 to 32 cents, but not financial advice, obviously. It is just my opinion. Bonk, please. You got it. Okay, just waiting until then. 63. What's up, Payne? What's 63? What is that, a coin? What's up, Alexio? Vara update. What do I think? Okay, so like, what do I think for JASMY? Okay, I'll give you my honest opinion right now. Give me a second. What's up, Yikes? Oh, SpongeBob. What's up, Gearhead? How are you? I put so much money into this. I bought in at 00115. Hey, hey, you're up right now. It's the best feeling ever, isn't it? Dude, OXT went super parabolic, and I ended up selling. My bag. So I get it. It's super nice. It's super good to get that feeling. Thoughts on Pepe on chain? I'll take a look at that for you. Yeah, 16 cents is a 50x from the bottom. Yeah, so I think 16 cents is like definitely in play, but I mean, for JASMY, here, let me see. Yeah, because like, look, first of all, JASMY is not like my coin or any other coin. This thing's like up so much. What's up, Sopco? How are you? From the high to the low, yeah, I'd say between 12 and like 35 cents. And then from there, you're looking at like $1, like, is crazy, but maybe. So yeah, looking at 400% to another 14x. And then just keep in mind, from the low to that is already a 50x. So if you put 10K in, you're looking at like $500,000. You know what I mean? So that's a lot of money. I'm not saying it's impossible. I'm just saying it's a lot of money. And then back up to 34 cents is 120x. So that's like $1.2 million. So yeah. No financial advice, just my opinion. Pepe Unchained. We already have a graph for Pepe Unchained. Wait, this isn't the right one. Pepe Unchanged. That's funny. Oh, is it this one? No. Yeah, so, wait. Why can't I look at this? Wait, which one is, which Pepe Unchained? Yeah, I can't find that. Yeah, Mace, I can't find that. Oh, Pepe Unchained is still in pre-sale? Yeah, I can't find it. So I really don't know. I'm sorry. I can't look it up. Yeah, it's absolutely fantastic. Best feeling ever. But, you know, it feels horrible if it goes back down. So just as long as you remember that, there's a lot of like happiness when you're up that much, but then there's a lot of like sorrow and sadness and like if it goes all the way back down, because like with every single wick going down, you're like, oh, if I'd sold, that would have been like $1,000 extra. But I think you should be fine. Right now is like, it's just a testing period. Just stay strong. Oh, what's this? Market support for JASMY? Oh, Upbit. It got listed on Upbit. Okay, that's pretty cool. All right, what did I miss? Did I miss anything? Oh, Vara. Vara for Elixio. Are they still releasing coins? That's a good question. Taking a look at the monthly. It doesn't look like they're releasing any more coins, but it doesn't matter because they did already. So, yeah, so unfortunately nothing's really too crazy with... Oh, Mad? Dude, this thing went absolutely bonkers. So congratulations to that one guy. I forgot who was asking for Mad, but dude, that guy profited a whole bunch because we were looking at it way before it pumped. Take a look at Vara for Elixio. Yeah, so from the high to the low, unfortunately, you could see, so if you had your sell orders at the 236, congratulations on that profit. But of course, we didn't hold it and we're now bearish again. So very simple for Vara, like I always do when a coin's down at this 236. This previous low needs to hold. If it doesn't, just keep in mind that we are going to make a lower low. The lower low is going to land us around 208, 209. So again, as long as it stays in this area, then you're going to get this area of volatility, which is 1 cent 50 to 3 cents 20. So you're probably going to consolidate and trade at that level. And then when we go bullish, when we're not going to be bearish anymore, we'll get over 3 cents 20. And then once that breaks, you're looking at the 382 and then from there to the moon, right? That's very simple. It's always how it works. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Now, yeah, let me know if I missed any of your guys' coins, and then I'm gonna get some water because it's already been almost an hour. Dang! Wow, that time flies. All right. So, let me see. Is Flipcoins here? You know, I think Flipcoin still watches my videos, and he donates all the time. So let me look at his coins. So in memory of Flipcoins, you know, just in case he watches it and he's like super happy that I do. That's so funny. I always like search Flipcoins. Yeah. So you know, let's take a look at. We have Billy. So let's take a look at Billy. I hope that it's over. Yeah, so Billy is actually, it looks like it bottomed. So it looks like we didn't even have to go down to 2 cents 90. So yeah, Billy's looking at 10 cents, retesting 10 cents. Once that breaks, you're looking at 12, then 23. With any big breakdown, you are looking at 2 cents 90. So just keep that in mind. Not financial advice. Let's look at UsedCar. Oh yeah, so we broke. Yeah, so it wicked over actually. We tried to. Yeah, we tried to keep this alive, but unfortunately we did break below this area of support. So as of right now,
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
oh my gosh, Amazon, dude, that scared me. So yeah, what was I saying? Oh, okay. So as of right now, the next area of support for UsedCar is 2049, and you are looking at resistance at 1 cent 30 to 60. So if this breaks, then it's going to be it's going to be really bad. And then it's going to be like we're going to consolidate and we're going to hope that this is the low, because if it isn't, then we're going to make a lower low. So not bullish at all. But it's crazy that it's actually dropped this much. I do think this is going to go nuclear. I really do think this is going to go nuclear. It has $516,000 worth of locked up liquidity, which is 25% of its market cap and fully diluted market cap, which is all circulated. Dude, there's no way that this thing is gonna, like, it could only go so low with like $500,000 of liquidity. I don't think this thing can drop anymore. I think we are gonna get I think that we're just gonna spawn in a giant green candle, and we're gonna go to the moon. But that's my opinion, and I really hope this works out for Flipcoins. So. And yeah, that's pretty much it for his coins. Oh, GW, you're the one that had mad? Hey, congratulations, man. We were looking at this. Look, we have a graph drawn out. Dude, you are the man. Good play, man. I really hope you sold the top. So we said, what did we say? No, we said. Yeah. We said, so it needs to act. Dude, that's so funny. We said it needs to hold this, and this thing literally came down and tagged the bottom of this channel, and then yeah. So 4 zeros 41 needs to break, and then you're looking at 3 zeros 12 being the next target. This is a gamble coin. You already know that, and that's pretty much it. What happened to Speedy? I don't know. Let's see. What happened to Speedy? Yeah, so it looks like we broke down. So I'm going to delete this because the box didn't hold. That's not good. And yeah, so 205 needs to hold. Otherwise, we are going to capitulate, and there's going to be a bigger capitulation down. If at any point we reverse, we need to get over 3 cents 90, then you're looking at 9 cents. So very simple. I had to delete that box because we unfortunately broke under it. I think the next Zeta... You think Mad is the next Zeta? I don't even know what Zeta is. Like, is it Mad Chain? Is that what it's called? What is this coin? Huh. Interesting. Gurkron, only if I was in the market earlier. I'm down 95% of my capital. I hope I can recover half of that. What do you mean, Gurkron? How are you down 95%? You're down 95% on JASMY? Wait, how's that possible? Did you invest in a gamble coin, or did you invest in like an actual coin? I mean, actual coins actually also went down. I got wrecked in OXT, obviously, and I thought that was an actual coin. How's Dogelon doing? You ain't got no Dogelon Mars. Get you some. Get you some. Get you some. Oh, this is so bullish, guys. Do you guys see this? Oh my god. Yo. Okay, unless I'm crazy and this thing's about to break down, it looks like it's about to go nuclear. Hold on. Yeah, it literally looks like it, because we literally bounced from the 200-day moving average, and if we get one more bounce and we actually bounce over it, then I put it at 6.037 to 6.04 easily. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I got in crypto at the peak in March. Oh no. That's not good. I kept selling and buying. No, I know, but that's happened to the worst. That's happened to the worst. So that's happened to the best of us. Because next time, if you actually stay on top of it, and if you actually like look at the levels, then you're not gonna be so. You're hopeful. I mean, I don't know, but I don't know depending on what you want to do. But you'd be able to sell and then buy at the perfect timing, or try to time it perfectly. But I mean, it's not good to buy and sell. Just put in your sell orders. The smartest thing to do is just put in your sell orders and don't get greedy, because if you get greedy, then it'll take it. Then the shadow realm will literally like take you. I love saying that, shadow realm. I play Yu-Gi-Oh, so I feel like I can use that. Play GOAT format. I play like all other, like, you know, I play I'm not really good at the other ones actually. So you know what? Never mind. We're not going to talk about that. I suck, but it doesn't matter. I feel like a copycat almost saying that, but I mean technically it's Yu-Gi-Oh, and I actually have Yu-Gi-Oh. So I summon Pot of Greed in attack mode. Meow feels 20 pounds lighter after dumping OXT. Yeah, like I said before, it just depends on if it goes down, because like this is the way that I see it with OXT, right? So like I'll just buy it, like, you know, I'll put in the 50% back in if like OXT goes down. And the way I see it is like, okay, so like what do coins like to do? They always like to go down to 786.618 retracements. So at any point, and it just depends on how I feel, if it actually comes back down to 7 cents 20 and 8 cents 48, so if we get a long bleed like this and it comes all the way down, which does look possible, right? It literally looks possible, because like, you know, if it's not ready, if it's not ready, then it's not ready. Oh, you need the heater? Okay. Wait, you gotta get the pineapple. Here, I'll get it. Sorry, my cat wants to sit in front of the heater, and then we have a pineapple that she likes to go and sleep on. But anyway, so yeah, so like if it goes there, then I'll just buy back that portion, and then I'll just, you know, let it ride. And if it goes up, then it doesn't really matter, right? Because I have my targets on the macro time frame anyway. But what I was saying is that if it never goes that, I'm thinking about rotating it to Dogelon. But like, I really think, you know, 17. But do I really want to wait for that little bit of a drop? Because then I don't know. I'll figure it out. But this was my first cycle. Don't give up, Girk. Yeah, that's true, man. Hey, yeah, Gurkron, don't give up. Trust me. And I say this in other you know, live streams. I really only watch one person. So if you know, you know. But yeah, in Vision's live stream, dude, like I bought literally OXT when it first came out at like 30 cents. And then I bought more, and then like I didn't sell. I never sold it. And well, let me take that back. You said that you bought and sold and got chopped up. The same thing kind of happened with me. But I did make money, but whenever I made money, I didn't sell it. And then it would go all the way back down, and then I would sell it, and then thinking that it would go lower, which it did sometimes. So I did get a lot more coins. But the problem is that when you pick a coin like this coin, that it just keeps going down, you're going to get chopped up. So basically, like over here, I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna like cut my losses, like wait, and you know, dollar cost average down, blah blah blah, and eventually like it'll go back up. So theoretically, like if you had bought a coin, I don't know what coin you're buying, but like if you wait, eventually it'll go back up. If it doesn't go to zero, I guess maybe I should say that. I'm really not good at like, yeah, dang, like I just don't feel bad. Like it's happened to the best of us. Like it's happened to me. I've gotten chopped up. Like I've lost a whole bunch. I've also made a whole bunch. The thing is that like you don't want to like lose hope and give up, because it could quickly change. Like for example, let me show you XLM, right? So like for everybody in XLM, literally for anyone that had bought back here in 2021. Yeah, okay. It's 3 years later. I know 3 years is a long time, especially because people only live to like 60 or 70, or maybe a little bit longer. I don't know. Okay, it doesn't matter. So 3 years, you would have had to held through this, and then everyone got their money back, like within the time span of like not even a week, right? Like literally like the 12th to the 23rd, so 10 days. In 10 days, you made all your money back. That's how fast this can come back. So again, as long as you didn't invest in like, you know, some random Inu Pinu coin on like Ethereum or like Solana, which if you're doing that, then you know you're gambling. So as long as you didn't do that, then you should be fine. But yeah, just you're fine. I think just learn from it and just do better. Learn from it, like, and you should be fine. And you have our chat and other, you know, live streamers chats to go in, and people will definitely be on the same page as you. We're all on the same page. It's very hard to time Elon. You buy it, it drops. I know, exactly. So like I don't want to put my OXT profits or earnings or whatever. I don't want to I don't want to buy Elon right now, because I just like I feel like it's just going to drop a little bit more. And if it doesn't, then it doesn't matter, right? You know, what am I going to do? Oh, I never had enough. It's always that like dilemma. Oh, but I didn't have enough. And then usually people start buying pumps, and that's when you get wrecked. Like, just have your coins and you'll be fine with that. But yeah, I mean, I want to buy Elon, but I'm just gonna wait. I'm really hoping it could come back down one more time, and if it does, then I'll just like accumulate, add more, and then maybe I'll have like 100 billion. 100 billion is good, because what is that? At 13, which isn't even, it's a 786. That's $130,000. That is a very good amount. The hardest part also, you guys, like, this is like, we're talking about this lightly. The hardest part is like waiting Like this entire time, you're gonna have to wait until this goes back up. So imagine like the psychological aspect of holding Dogelon Mars if it doesn't just pump in like 2 weeks. Imagine having to wait and always think about, oh my god, is this the top? Is this the top? And then if with any sort of correction, your account gets absolutely annihilated, right? So, you know, holding is one aspect, selling and holding it through its bull run is like another, because you can't. It's hard. It's impossible to time the market. So. Hey Meow, can you check on purple Pepe? Yes, I can. Okay, so first of all, I don't know why I drew this. I did not think that this was going to come down. I might have been like, if this breaks, then we're probably going to come back down to the lows. So first of all, congratulations on this, because we actually held support. We broke 786. We broke the previous high, and we're making our way up to 305. So Demon, congratulations! That is awesome. So you're up a good amount right now, because I'm assuming you're the one that asked for this. So like theoretically, from this low to the high, that's around a 10x. So congratulations. We need to update this chart as of right now. So we're gonna delete all these levels because these levels are irrelevant at this point. So I'd say as long as purple Pepe stays over the 236, it's macro bullish. Worst case scenario, it comes down. That is a really big capitulation. Worst case scenario, it comes down to 4049. You are still looking at a continuation to 305. So, not financial advice, just my opinion. And actually, you could see we sold off back up down to 401, and then we got a quick recovery. So that means that there's a lot of interest at these levels. So you might get a continuation up to 305, which is around 100% from the current price right now. So yeah, congratulations. You are one of the winners in this bull market because you 10x'd your money, and that's very, very, very hard to do in crypto. Mind checking Casey on Sol real quick? Yeah. I think do I have a graph for you? If you've asked for it, then I probably have. Casey Solana? I'm assuming, so is it this? Oh, GambleCoin? Is this it? I can't even chart it. Nate Bra, can you let me know if this is the right coin? In the meantime, Octavius. You're the guy from Batman. No, Spider-Man. There we go, Octavio. Octavius. What are you doing? Your brain's fried, Octavius. Yeah, so Goldfinch really isn't doing much. It's still over... Yeah, it kind of reminds me of JASMY because it's over its 382. So I'd say bullish over $1. Obviously, we knew that. So in terms of shorter term resistance goes, we are still consolidating in resistance. So we had a nice bounce from support or from the 382, and then now we're still in resistance. So very simple. $1.59 and $2 is resistance. Once that breaks, I'd say Goldfinch to the moon. $1.07 absolutely needs to hold. That is a 382. And let me see if that does coincide with support. Yeah, I guess that coincides with the 0.5, but that's redundant. So very simple. It needs to hold over $1.59 and $2.01 needs to break. And then you're looking at Goldfinch to the moon. Yeah, so Nate Bra. Checking this on the hourly for you because that's unfortunately the most I can do. So as long as on the macro time frame it stays over 3 cents, you are looking at retesting the all-time high and then up to 23 cents, which as of today is going to be around a 400% pump, which does put the market cap around $160 million. So keep in mind if you do break below 3 cents, then you're most likely cooked. and we're probably going back down to the lows. If not breaking lower, making a lower low, and then forming a downtrend. Same story, different song. Same, yeah, whatever. Same story, different song, yeah. I'm just gonna go with that. It makes sense if you think about it. NutCoin to the moon. Is that like some sort of meme coin? NutCoin. I guess so. World learning for kids. Is this the right coin? Let me know if this is the right coin, and we can take a look at it. Water. How's Dogecoin doing? Oh, it's okay. We already talked about this. We said as long as Dogecoin stays over the 236382, then theoretically we're fine. That has a big range, 25 to 32 cents. Dude, people are going to lose the euphoria if it comes down this low, but I think it is. I think it's, 40% correction and then a move up. I mean, what was this, right? Was this 40%? This was 50%, right? What was this? Yeah, this was 51%. So, like, where's 50% going to take us down to, right? Yeah, like, around 50%. Yeah, so I think 24 to 32 cents is in play. We needed a big correction. Dude, I'm so happy I sold OXT. Because watch it go, I mean, it doesn't matter if it goes up, actually. But, I'm not going to be greedy at all. So, and it doesn't even matter. Then I will just rotate into Dogelon Mars and then let the rest ride, right? Can you check ABT arc block waiting for it to break out? So this is a coin that's already up a whole bunch, but we will take a look at it again for you. Yeah, so it is stuck at resistance. We are stuck at $1.43 to the 382. So as long as it gets over $1.80 and breaks over it, then we could look at the next targets. And if it stays over $1.44, then you're consolidating in resistance anyway, right? If we don't, if we do break below, then we're probably going to continue this downtrend that we're forming. And if this isn't the low, then you're going to make a lower low. So very simple for arc block. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And the world of learning for kids didn't respond, so I'm assuming he doesn't want me to look at this coin anymore. And then let me know what coins y'all want me to look at for you, and in the meantime we'll just take a look at random coins. Oh, how's JASMY doing? Oh, we broke down. That's not good. Okay, so that's not good at all. So we need to redraw this. Yeah, well, actually, we're at the 382 right now. Yeah, so, I mean, I'd say this is do or die for JASMY. So where it's at basically needs to hold, otherwise we are probably going to get a huge capitulation down. So yeah, no financial advice, just my opinion. Yo, Pain South, did I look at your coins? Oh yeah, I did. Filecoin and Sand. That's right. Can you please check pools? $0.00. What is that? Oh, SwiftCoin to the moon. Let's go. Hey, let's go, SwiftCoin. Congratulations to SwiftCoin holders. That is awesome. Taking a look at SwiftCoin. So, oh, are we getting stuck at the 382? No, we're not. Oh, breakout. We broke out. Oh, yeah, we broke out, guys. Hey, congratulations. So, red alert for SwiftCoin. We have resistance. The next area of resistance is 2045. We're looking at 2045, 2053, 2066. If we blow past all these levels, congratulations. Are we gonna hit two? Are we gonna hit 2 cents on live stream? Oh, she's pumping. We're gonna check on the minute. We will check. Yeah, this thing looks very, very, very bullish. So, yeah, I just made a higher high on the minute candle, though. So, yeah, as of right now for SwiftCoin, red alert, we have 2045 being next. So, just keep in mind, we can, like what we always say, we can always come back up here, right? And then we could get rejected, okay? So, just keep in mind, at that point, we would need to hold this box. Like, I'm saying it like as if it's actually gonna happen, but I mean, I'm just putting that out there right now. So we'll keep this on this we'll keep this on the live stream, and then we could keep it up. So yeah, right now 2045 is in play. 2042 to 2043 absolutely needs to hold on the downside. If that holds, you are looking at a continuation to 2053. Oh, we're breaking. Oh, wow. This thing's going parabolic. Well, not parabolic yet, but you know what I'm saying. So, we'll see. Is FITFI dead? I don't know. I'll take a look at it in a second. Let's see if we hit 2045. That's pretty good. Congratulations. Like, just off of like the last 30 minutes, you're up like 12%. So that's very good. Dude, this thing's going literally parabolic. Dude, I hope this thing goes to like 2 cents for like for everybody, for all my like followers, not followers, subscribers. That's what I meant. All my subscribers that always ask for SwiftCoin. Dude, that would be so epic. And whoever has their sell orders like at these levels too, that's God tier, because you bought at the lows and then now you're like selling it, right? So like whoever bought here will be up like 33%. So that's a lot of money if this actually hits. If 2045 hits, that is very, very, very good. So let's wait and see. Let's go SwiftCoin. Keep it up. Oh no, we're getting a sell-off. Alright, well, the box needs to hold. Can the box hold? That is the million-dollar question. Can the box hold? Oh, great. We're really going to consolidate in it? That would be crazy if we actually consolidated in it. I mean, this is the minute candle, which is pretty exciting because we get to see all the movement. But can the box hold? Can the box hold so we can have a continuation up? Please, can the box hold? What's up, DZ? We're just looking at SwiftCoin exploding right now. It's up like 30% or 20%. I don't know, actually. How much is it up? Does anybody know what percent up it is? Did you do Degen update yet? No, I haven't. I will take a look at Degen just for you because your name starts with D and so does Degen. But give me a second. We're looking at SwiftCoin. I need to see if it hits 45 or if it holds support on the 1 minute time frame. Come on, Let's see it go. It's up 12% the last hour. That's very good. So your $10,000 is now worth 1,000. No, wait. Your $10,000 is now worth 11,200. Wow, that is going to be my rate in the future. I'm making $1,000 an hour. And it's crazy, right? It's crazy, but you know what? It is crazy. I'm never going to make that much. And just because you say something doesn't mean it's real. You have to do something about it. Remember that. Let's go, SwiftCoin. Come on, hold the box. Come on, give the viewers what they want. They want money. Give the viewers what they want. Come on, SwiftCoin, you got this. You can do it. Come on, we gotta everyone yell at SwiftCoin to go up. SwiftCoin, you can't do this to us. You can't just get us super excited about this and then not go up. Yeah, you think Bitcoin will hit 100,000 in Thanksgiving? No, I don't. I think if anything, we're gonna hit it quarter one. We're gonna hit it quarter one of next year. I think we're gonna hit between 100 and 140 if we break 100, and if we don't break 100, then that the top is in, I'd say. And I know that's an unpopular opinion, but hopefully we all made our money. But and we gotta make sure we jump in when we gotta make sure we get out when the Bitcoin dominance is all the way dumped. So just FYI, always remember that. Come on, SwiftCoin. All right, this is where it's gonna go up, guys. This is the candle. I feel it. This is the candle that's gonna take us there. Oh my gosh. Come on, come on, just let me be right one time for the SwiftCoin community. SwiftCoin community, come on. This is going to be their Thanksgiving present. Come on, 2 zeros 45. Hit, hit, hit. Oh my god, that's so much money. Come on, hit. 2 zeros 45. Come on, you stubborn green candle. Oh, it's gonna hit. I have a feeling. I know people are like, "Oh, you can't go with feelings," and you're absolutely right. You can't, but it doesn't mean that you don't have a feeling and you can't say it, right? Come on. We'll take a look at Degen for you, DZ, in a second. I just we have to see if this thing's gonna break out. All right, on the next minute candle, I'll take a look at Degen for you if it doesn't break. But we'll leave this up, and that way we can come back to it. %. Let's go. %. That is a lot of money, guys. That is a lot of money to make in like 2 hours. That's crazy. Let's go gambling. Who bought SwiftCoin? There are so many people. There are so many subscribers. A lot of subscribers are in SwiftCoin. There are a lot of SwiftCoin subscribers. Talking about that, actually, I need to check to see if like there are people that are requesting coins and stuff. So, come check out the live stream. Come check out the live stream. Excuse me, thank you. I forgot, people are like, update please, update please. but I really want to get people to come to a live stream. Bring back Zilliqa videos. Okay. Come back to live stream. Also, keep in mind. Let's see. Okay, damn, I kind of stuck myself into staying here for another like hour, actually. Give me a second. We don't have anything to do in like another hour, right? Okay. Like you're gonna be working. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. All right. Yep. I guess I will stay here for another hour. Damn, that's gonna be a late night stream. Not hours. Yeah, like 45 minutes. 30 or 40. Okay. Alrighty. So what time did I actually start? I started at 6:25. So 7:25. That's 1 hour. 8:25. All right, I'll go for 2 hours. I'll do 8:25. So that's 35 minutes. And that should give people enough time to come to the live stream and ask for the coins that they wanted me to look at for them. So, alrighty, come on, SwiftCoin. Is this gonna happen or no? Who bought SwiftCoin? Wait, can everyone? Can every comment what coins they're holding? 4,500 is hitting Swift. I hope so. 45. Oh yeah. So OXT and Dogelon Mars. Oh no. Yeah, are we done? Is it cooked? Is this cooked? Oh no. We're cooked. It's over. Good game. It's over, guys. Pack it up. We're cooked. We're done. We're going to 0. Everybody sell. I'm just joking, obviously. Oh, are we back? No, probably not. Okay, let's take a look at Degen for DZ. So taking a look at Degen. Yeah, so nothing. Actually, this is a really nice structure. Wow. Okay, so yeah, taking a look at Degen for DZ. You are looking at. Yeah, so nothing has really changed from the last time that we looked at Degen. So from the high to the low. We are actually literally hanging on to the 786, which is bullish. Next area, you are going to put it at 3 cents, 6 cents, 60, 6, 7, and then 53 cents. Oh no, 666, dude. Vision must be watching the live stream, bro. I'm just joking, but imagine if he sees it. Like, imagine if he is, and then like he sees that, dude. Like, hey, no one want to get this shit away from me. That's funny. That's I'm just joking around. So from here you're looking at 77%, 272, and then 280%. So yeah. Keep in mind that if we break below, yeah, so you're looking at this absolutely needs to hold. 13 absolutely needs to hold. So I just honestly I put the area in this box. As long as it holds this box, then you are looking at a continuation. If it doesn't, then we're cooked, and we are probably going to go back down to the lows. Keep in mind that is still validating this uptrend. Very basic form of TA, obviously. Uptrend. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not financial advice. SwiftCoin looks like it's unfortunately cooked. No, it should be fine. Obviously, that was a really big move. Obviously, in the hour. So like, you are going to get some sort of pullback. It just comes with the territory. Let's take a look at what is it like BTC. Oh, not bad. Nasty sell-off. Came kind of late. Did you do ApeCoin yet? No, because you weren't here and you didn't ask for it. FITFI. Oh no, hey, don't worry. Don't. I got busy and I completely forgot. You can definitely ask multiple times, and I encourage you guys to. Just don't spam, like obviously like 20 times, right? But you didn't. Like I just completely forgot. FITFI. So. Yeah, let's take a look at FITFI for Pain Salt 252. Ooh. Damn, this does not look good. I mean, technically it's a gamble, right? Because you would have theoretically already floored. And if you did floor, then that's not necessarily a bad thing because you'd be buying at the lows, right? So let's take a look at FITFI. No, it's not. How much is it? Oh, 0.203. Yeah, so this is the right coin. Why did we make a lower low? Yeah, we made an all-time low in November. Okay. Maybe they're releasing coins. So yeah, so from the high to the low, nothing's bullish with FITFI until we break 209. That's really it. So just keep in mind that is around from the current price, around 180%. And if this isn't the floor, like if this isn't the bottom, and if it didn't bottom out, then we're probably going to go lower. So very simple. 2024 needs to hold. 2095 needs to break. Keep in mind we can also come up and get stuck and come all the way back down, and then just consolidate. And then we have to wait until this breaks or this breaks, and then we're going to either go make a lower low, all-time low, or we're going to go to the 382, and then once that breaks, bull run for FITFI. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And now let's take a look at ApeCoin for Aaron C. Yeah, so it's actually still not bearish because it's over its 382 at $1.20, I think, but I'll take a look at it for you. So the macro 236 is $1.24. So as of right now, you are looking at a continuation to 224. Very simple. As long as it's over $1.26, you're over the 236. So you're not bearish. If it falls below that, then we are going to go back down to the lows, possibly. But it is bearish under that. And then once 224 breaks, then ApeCoin to the moon. So pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Damn, I should have bought OXT instead of Degen. Well, OXT just had a massive run, so maybe not yet, right? I mean, OXT's up like, yeah, 37%, like 72% on the month. So maybe wait, but what is this nonsense? Oh, 10-cent support. That's funny because I think that it's going to be 9 cents 50. Like literally I was on Coinbase and I put in a buy order at 9 cents 50, which is actually the 236. Like, are we gonna actually have a 236 retracement for OXT, right? I feel like we are. I feel like this thing's gonna come back down, and then we're gonna go up, and then once we break that, then we're going to the moon, and then it's gonna go to $16,000. See? So, and then I'm gonna be like super happy. All right, let's see. Buddy Crush. Retracted message. I have Chill Guy. Oh, did you buy at the lows? Dude, then you're a millionaire if you bought at the lows, right? Yeah, so box held, we're looking at 80 cents and $1.47 next. Very simple. Yeah, very simple for Chill Guy. So again, this is on the hour because obviously on the day it doesn't even look like it makes sense. So I have to do it on the hourly. It looks like the box held at 19 to 28 cents. 80 cents, $1.47. Keep in mind that is going to put it at around a 200% pump, which is going to put the market cap at around $1 billion. I got in when it was 27 cents. You're the one that asked for this then, right? So you actually took that risk and bought it in the box. Hey, congratulations, Demon. Dude, good. Nice nice gamble. Because you're up right now. Yeah, you're up 84%, and then you're looking at little to no next resistance is going to be 81 cents and then $1.47. So I would probably sell on the way up, but it just you know, that's not financial advice, but just my opinion, obviously. Congratulations, man. That's awesome to hear. It's always good to hear when people are making money, and you know, most importantly, securing profits, right? 0.0. Is this the coin you're talking about? Dude, is this getting like delisted or something? Yeah, why is the market cap like? Because you can see like the market cap has a triangle, so it's not verified. But I don't think it was always like that, so that's interesting. Yeah, this is on Coinbase, so very it looks like a very gamble coin, but that's not like, this has a lot of upside potential. Wow. Here, I'll vote bullish for you. But let's see. I mean, this has a lot of upside potential. Yeah, dude, this is how much up is it? Yeah, it's up 87%. From the high to the low, nothing's bullish until we break 6 cents 80. Once that breaks, you're looking at 12 cents 40, and then to the moon once when 12 cents 40 breaks. Keep in mind that as of today, that is around a 160% pump. Also, keep in mind we can't come all the way back down here, or sorry, we can come all the way up and get rejected and come all the way back down. And if this area doesn't hold, then we're probably going to come back, capitulate and make a lower low. Very simple for Coin 8. It is still bearish under 6 cents 80. And once 6 cents 80 breaks, 12 cents 40 is next. That needs to break, and then, yeah, double low coin to the moon. Not financial advice, just my opinion. What other coins? Oh, Gummy. That was a good one. Oh, Gummy came all the way back down. Who? Oh, Roy's Army has Gummy. That's right. That's who it is. Dang. Good luck, Roy's Army. Oh, Bag. We gotta check meme coins. A lot of meme coins. Ooh, that's not looking good for Bag. What about Maneki? Ooh, the box needs to hold. It's not looking good for Maneki either. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if Bitcoin capitulates by 20%, it is going to be... Yeah, we're looking at like a $79,000 Bitcoin. Is there any level of support here? You're looking at 76,000, which is 23%, which is going to probably reset the stock RSI and RSI. So... yeah, so if this thing drops by that much, this is probably going to take it close to oversold. Stock RSI is obviously going to be completely reset, and then that's going to probably take us to like 100K or 140K. Or is it 160K or 140K? I know this is crazy, but I think that, yeah, like 173K, and then from here to here, It's like 140K. Yeah, this is where I think the top is, and I know that might be too crazy for some people. But if I'm right, I should get a whole bunch of subscribers, right? I called it. Oh my gosh. No, I'm just joking. Obviously not, but obviously just my opinion. I would say 144 to 174 is the top, and then we're gonna basically start the bear market. So you better hold your horses, or hang on to the railing because it's gonna get turbulent. Or sit down and buckle up because there's gonna be a lot of turbulence. Yeah. What about AMC? I don't know. What about AMC? Wait, what's this? Dude, what? First human being created by... What is this, dude? What is this nonsense? First human being created by God? Okay, we're not going to invest in that. AMC. Well, which AMC? I'm assuming it's this. When BTC dominance hits 38 cents, it's already going to be over. So, like, that's the thing, because we're going to look back and we're going to be like, oh, yeah, the bull run was over when Bitcoin hit 38 cents. But we still have to go through that crash, and it'll be over by the time Bitcoin goes to zero, right? Or goes to 38% dominance. Is this the right AMC, Demon? Yeah, so I think he's saying that this is the right one. So from the high to the low, resistance, we are consolidating in resistance right now. Once that breaks, you're looking at 4.69, and then 1 cent 35, and then 3 cents. So what does that actually back up to its all-time high? Yeah, so back up to its all-time high is around a 13x, which does put the market cap around 23, like 30 million. I'm still under 30 million, so you know it could go even higher from there. So we'll just have to wait and see. But that's cool. AMC on Solana, not bad. Not the one for 5 beans. Hey, thank you so much. I really appreciate the super chat. That's awesome. Analysis on Mady meme coin. Got 80 billion coins. Take a look and tell me the potential and compare with Crow with Knife. Mady price prediction. Okay, so let's take a look at Mady. Is this the right Mady? Is it Mady or is it ladies? Oh, I'm assuming it's ladies. So, is this the right Milady's on Ethereum? Not the one. Is this the right Milady's? And then let's take a look. I have a graph drawn with Crow with Knife, so. Obviously, this is the right Crow with Knife. So I'd say Milady's, like, I think this is the right graph because we already have a graph saved. Like, I already have a chart saved, so I'm assuming this is the right one. So unfortunately, what is this? We got stuck at resistance. Yeah. So unfortunately, we got stuck at resistance. So nothing's bullish until... So nothing's bullish with this until we break 608. 60108. You can clearly see we came and smacked against the 382 and we got rejected. So just keep in mind that as of now, it's going to be extremely volatile because the price can land anywhere between 7069 to 601. Sorry, yeah, 60108. Because theoretically, again, it could come down, come back up, get stuck, and then come back down, and then you just be consolidating in this level. At any point, if it breaks 7069, then we're probably going to go back down to the lows. And keep in mind, this is an 89 million market cap. It does have $3.4 million of liquidity, and back up to its all-time high is around a 300%. So it does put the market cap around 270 million. Crow with Knife is a little bit more of a gamble coin, but it is high risk, high reward. It is over its 382 right now, so it is still consolidating over the 382. It is a $38 million market cap, and then from here to its high is around a 200%, which is going to put the market cap around 80 million, and to its 1618 recording all-time highs is going to be around a 700%, which is going to put the market cap around 280 million. So Mady, a 3x is going to be 270 million. Craw, a 7x would be 280 million. So relatively close. So higher risk for Crow with Knife, higher reward. Crow with Knife is looking better in terms of staying over 382 right now. Mady does look like it's breaking down. And then as far as the price on Mady goes, I guess it is still up 4x. Crow with Knife is up 90%. So again, Crow with Knife is a little bit more of a gamble. But if you have Malady's, you know, let's look at the RSI actually. Oops. Okay. Let's take a look at the RSI. Yeah, so the RSI is, you know, in the middle. So nothing too exciting there. It's not like it's oversold. That would be easy to say that, hey, yeah, same with Crow with Knife. The RSI is in the middle, so really either direction is possible for both coins. And yeah, that's pretty much it for analysis on both coins. And I hope all that made sense. 80 billion coins is a lot. I think that's around $8,000 right now. So just keep in mind that, you know, $8,000, that's $24,000 here. But $8,000 here is, you know, 16 here, but if it goes higher, and relatively if they go to the same market cap, then you're getting 56,000. But yeah, that's pretty much it. No financial advice, and who knows, like these are just targets, right? It might never hit. It might go, you know, a little bit higher than previous all-time high and then call it quits, right? So we just don't know. The good thing about Mady though is that it does have locked liquidity, although it's not that much. Crow and Knife doesn't have locked liquidity, but the market cap to liquidity ratio is good because it's more than 10%. You clearly see here, this is like 3%, almost 4%, but it is locked. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Thank you so much for the 5. That's awesome. And yeah, thank you so much. I hope all that made sense. I know it's a lot of information. Hi, can you do Stronghold? Oh no. Is this the coin that's like going to 0? No, it's not going to 0. Hey, let's go. So taking a look at Stronghold. Taking a look at recent. Oh, are we getting a breakdown? Are we going to 0? Wait, hold on. Oh, we're breaking down. We're at 93,000 right now? Oh, we're getting a huge breakdown. Red alert. Wait, hold on. Am I right? Am I crazy? Oh, no, we're not. We're not. Okay. There we go. Okay. Sorry, I just thought we were going to 0 for a second. I was like, what's going on? All right, let's see. Oh, Penguin's breaking down again. That's not good. Do you think SwiftCoin will consolidate at this point? I don't know. I really don't know. It's already up 23%, so I don't know if it's going to consolidate or not. Your guess would be better than mine, unfortunately. Oh yeah, Stronghold. Taking a look at Stronghold, we are going to take the recent data. So as of right now, we are over the 618. So I'd say 786, 1 cent 60, and then 5 cents is in play. And then I think that does coincide with the 236. It does. So I'd say as long as Stronghold holds over 2069 to 2081, you are looking at a continuation up. You are looking at 1 cent, followed by 15, followed by 5 cents, which as of today is going to be around a 500% pump. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Can you take a look at NutCoin, please? Can you take? I already looked at it. I'm here. Oh, you left? I already looked at it. Nope, no NutCoin for you. Hopefully, I saved a graph for you, but no, I didn't. So is this? I think I asked you. Is this the right coin? Let me know if this is the right coin for you. And again, not the one. Thank you so much for the 5. I really do appreciate that. Oh, 5x for Stronghold would put the market cap around 250 million. Keep in mind, though, they are releasing coins, and the fully diluted is 820 million. So that is $4.5 billion market cap. So fully diluted. They aren't fully released, so just keep that in mind, too. Like, this coin hasn't released coins, and now they're releasing coins. So just be careful with that. Excuse me, not financial advice. Yeah, World of Learning for Kids. You gotta let me know if this is the right NutCoin. Okay, so I guess I'll try to do TA on this, and then you're just gonna have to rewind it. So from the high to the low, you can see we broke the 1618. Again, very gamble-ish coin. We are looking at 402 being the next target. That is around another 10x, which does put the market cap around 222 million. Now, keep in mind that this area needs to hold 6086, and then in terms of support goes, does that coincide with anything? No. I just say very bullish over that level. Hopefully we stay over it. But if we do come down, we do need to hold this area. Otherwise, I would say we are going to have a bigger capitulation down. So that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. So as long as it stays over 6023, 6043, it is still bullish. If it breaks below 6086, then we have the potential of going down to that area of support. And then as long as we stay over all these targets, then 401 is in play, which is around a 10x, which would put the market cap around $220 million. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Dude, this thing's going to come all the way back down to 8 cents. This is literally going to come down to 8 cents, and people are going to be like, what the heck happened? And then I'm going to be like, because it's OXT. Ouch. It's okay, though. Yeah, so with that being said, I will be cutting the live stream in 10 minutes. So thank you for everybody that stopped by. Obviously, I really appreciate it. First of all, and second of all, I really appreciate all the super chats. That is awesome, and I really appreciate the super chats. That's all I can say. So thank you so much for that. And yeah, we'll take a look at a couple more coins, and then we will call it a night. In the meantime, we could just hang out and look at Bitcoin, see where Bitcoin's going. 94,000. OXT looks like it's about to break down, which doesn't surprise me. Man, if this goes down to 8 cents, that would be insane. Or like 9 cents 69. Yeah, 9 cents 69 would actually be pretty important, because that is a 236, and that is going to be a 38% drawdown. So and then from there back up to that is like 63%, so that would be pretty insane. And then Dogelon Mars. Yeah, it looks like it's breaking down, but it's okay because we're still holding 6017. ADA, please. Cardano, are we still over $1? No, we're not. That's unfortunate. But first of all, congratulations to the holders, because that is a huge move up. What is that? Like 200% in like 2 days. So congratulations. From the high to the low, you can see we actually smacked against the 618. So congratulations. That's really awesome for whoever had a sell order at that point and these levels, because literally you hit 236, 382, 0.5, and the 618. So congratulations on that. So as of right now, you are still looking at 618 resistance, 786 to $1.76, $3, and then up to what, like, yeah, $15. And then in terms of support goes, I would say bullish over 89 cents, sorry, 70 cents to 84 cents. As long as it holds this area, then you are looking at a continuation up. If it doesn't, then we are probably going to come back down. And yeah, we are going to probably break down. So not financial advice, just my opinion. Good night, fam. Hey, yeah, good night. I'm 8 more minutes of this live stream, and then we'll call it a night. Maybe not even 8 minutes. I mean, if the chat's dead and if the chat's dead and nobody wants to look at Bitcoin go to zero, unfortunately, nobody wants to look at Bitcoin go to zero, so that's not good. Bitcoin on the minute chart looking pretty good. Oh, you know what's a really good coin? This one. I'm just joking. I actually have no idea. Dude, this thing went parabolic. Like, this, I can't believe this coin went parabolic. Like, that's crazy to me. Wow. The Balkan Dwarf Kekek. Oh my god, 30x from the lows, like all. Wow. That is pretty funny. Wow. Yeah, XLM's breaking down too. It's not good. I think we're cooked. Oh no. It's not good. Well, with that being said, actually, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. No more super chats, no more coins. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks to everyone that came by and hung out. I really do appreciate it. I really do appreciate the subscribers, members, super chats, everyone. Thank you so much. And just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and this is all for entertainment purposes. I will be doing another live stream tomorrow. I'm not sure what time. It'll be a little bit later, maybe. But again, the goal is to do a live stream every single day this month. So I have 6 days to go, or 5 more days to go. I will be live streaming on Thanksgiving, but it might be early in the morning, depending on my plans, obviously. But yeah, we're going to keep it going, and then in December, it's going to go back to 2 to 3 days. So we'll just take it from there. And see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for all the super chats again, for all the subscribers, members, everyone. I will see you guys in the next live stream. Have a great night. And I don't have my outro, obviously, so we're gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. But it might be early in the morning, depending on my plans, obviously. But yeah, we're gonna keep it going, and then in December it's gonna go back to 2 to 3 days. So we'll just take it from there. And see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for all the super chats again.